century ago, there were hundreds of little penguins in the Manly Cove area. Just 40 years ago, there was another colony of little penguins further south on the New South Wales coast at Eden. Unfortunately, this colony is now extinct, along with other fallen colonies in the Sydney Basin. Sydney's North Harbour shoreline provides rock platforms of Hawkesbury sandstone and beaches where the penguins nest among rocks, in natural caves and crevices, under overhanging vegetation, in wood piles, and under artificial structures such as sheds, stairs, garages and dwellings, even under Manly Wharf itself. The waters of Manly Cove and surrounds have an abundant supply of food for the breeding birds, with seagrasses attracting the appropriate fish and squid necessary for breeding. But nature alone would not be enough to sustain this penguin population. Due to the increased dangers from the human population, the penguins need our help to survive. The little penguin colony at Manly Cove is the last on mainland New South Wales, and it is listed as endangered. You may wonder why a colony of penguins would continue to return to such an urbanised environment. Why would they not find another, less populated area to breed? Little penguins are philopatric, a term that literally means love of one's home, and in biology describes a process in which an animal returns to its place of birth or hatching when it is time to reproduce. It has been found that the penguins not only return to the same general area, but usually return home to the exact same burrow each year. There are some wonderfully dedicated volunteers and associations looking after the penguin colony. National Parks and Wildlife, along with Taronga Zoo, Manly Environment Centre, and Manly Sea Life Sanctuary are all heavily invested in the protection of the birds. Project Penguin is a program teaching local school students about the penguins, their importance, and the dangers they face. The students learn through peer support programs, excursions to the penguin nesting areas, and visits to Taronga Zoo. The penguins are lucky to have all of this support. It is easy to become complacent and feel that enough is being done. However, the struggle to help an endangered species is an ongoing battle. This was clearly illustrated in the last few weeks when 26 penguins have been killed in fox attacks. With only 60 to 70 breeding pairs in the colony, an event like this can be devastating.
It's devastating, but it's not catastrophic for this colony of penguins. We can save them and they will go forward.
We need to continue to look after these little penguins. So please take care of the environment. Don't litter and pollute waterways. Be a responsible pet owner and keep your dogs on leads and cats indoors. Be careful with your boating activities and obey all exclusion zones. Fish responsibly, taking home all your rubbish with you. And never approach a penguin. Leave them alone to live among us. Manly Cove is home to humans and penguins alike.